Hello, my name is Robert from Nicxon International Solution, and for this video we are going to learn about HR or Human Resource Management in Nicxon ERP software. When we open our HR page, this is what we are seeing. We have reports option and also add new employees. As you see, we still do not have any employees, so let's add one. Here we can fulfill information about our employee: name, email, phone number, gender, date of birth, nationality, address, ID card number, insurance ID number, position of the employee, department, hiring date and insurance dependent, monthly salary, currency, and emergency contact number, and that's it. We save our employee. Successfully saved. Back to employee list, and we can see our employee. We can have the payroll for each employees, or we can edit their information. If we click on the payroll, we can define the payroll of each month and the year for that specific employee. For example, in the month of November, year of 2025, this person works how many days? Let's say 30. And if this person has any overtime, we can calculate here automatically, or we can fulfill manually, and this calculated price and also overtime price, it will be automatically calculated by the system based on the monthly salary. So if we say, for example, the overtime was 3 hours, automatically will be calculated and we can apply it. Then we can select the date, which date this overtime has occurred, let's say on the 20th, and the description, save the overtime. This overtime later on will be calculated in the user payroll for the month of November calculations. And if there is any deductions, we can also add the deductions in here. Deduction calculator that can help us automatically calculate is divided by the 3 options that we can use. Custom input, if we are certain of how much this employee is having to be deducted from, we can fulfill here. If we want deduct by days, so we say how many days, for example, this person was absent, and if it was hourly, we can say how many hours to be cut from this person's salary. For example, let's say 2 hours cut on the date of 21, automatically will be calculated, and save the deduction. So we have all the overtimes, we have the deductions, how many days per month this user works, and if we want to manage other months for this employee, also we can just select the month, the year, and we can manage them. We back to HR, and if we click on the edit, in the edit page right now we have additional section, which is termination section, and we can fulfill the date of the termination in case this employee is no longer working with our company, and the reason of the termination, and for the next payroll month, that when the system automatically calculates all the salaries, this person will be excluded. Our HR system also has a view report, which is giving us a general view of our employees, each department, how many employees has, the gender specification based on our company employee. This is HR reports, and later on in the next video, when we are talking about payroll system, in there we have more detailed reports per employee, per month, and per each payable slip. We will talk about that later on in the next video. Thank you for watching.